G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So Alia and I have just done an epic journey for Long Drive For Drought, and it was fantastic, wasn't it? 2023 Long Drive For Drought. It's all about raising money for these Aussie farmers that have done it tough through Drought Angels. This is the Landcruiser community all over, isn't it?
That's right. Absolutely, mate. Yep.
What the Drought Angels gave to us over the drought was just absolutely amazing.
Epic journey. Now, before we get in and show you too much about Long Drive For Drought, we thought we'd introduce you to all the drivers and their vehicles, starting with this one. So this is a 1982 Troop Carrier with a 2F motor all the way from Bathurst. Anyway, let's introduce the rest of the drivers.
G'day, this is Danny. Danny's a 1979 HJ45. It now has a 1HZ 5-speed gearbox in it, and it's from Young, New South Wales.
Hey, my name's Jack. It's a HJ47 1981 model. We're doing a Long Drive For Drought. It's run a 2H standard motor, Harvey Boat.
Here we go. This is the White Knight. She's a 1983 FJ45 petrol engine, a 2F, unstoppable so far. Doing a great job from Brisbane.
My name's Cooper. This is my FJ45. It's an 81 model. I've got 2F in the bonnet. I'm from Caboolture.
So I'm Andrew. This is Stumpy. 1979 FJ40 running a Holden 308.
Okay, Dave Goldner, 1979 Toyota, and I'm from Bethesda.
Green HJ47 1984, the second owner. My name is Greg Barn. I'm 67 years old and just enjoying life.
Hi, we're Paul and Emma from Benalla in Victoria. We've got a dual cab Arcana HJ47. It's a 1984 model cab on a 80 series chassis with a 1HDT engine, and that's about it.
1976 FJ40, 2F, 4-speed, all stock, just looks pretty. I'm from Gympie, Queensland.
It's a 84 HJ47 running a 2H with a 5-speed box conversion behind it. From is Cairns.
This is Tripod. She's 1980 on HJ47. One of the from Mount Crosby.
Yeah, Jeff and Alison Moody, driving a HJ45 from Gladstone, and we've got a 2H turbo.
I'm Billy McKinnon from McKinnon's Cruises. This trip we've brought along our 1990-ish Toyota 45 series ute. It's on an 80 chassis, powered by a Coyote 5 litre and 6-speed auto.
Hey, David Reynolds here, originally from Houston, now in Brisbane. This is my HJ47. It's had majority of all the popular upgrades, so turbo 2H, tank, locker, power steer, disc brake, rear 79 series suspension.
Tim, buddy, got a 1984 HJ47 Dingo, Central Queensland.
G'day, I'm Peter, I'm from Brisbane. This is my 1984, 11th month 1984 HJ47 Troop Carrier. Imaginatively, we call it the Troopy.
This is the Traveller Troopy. It's a 1982 model and it's HJ47.
Good morning, this is Rod and Kylie from Sydney. We're driving a 1973 F45 2H.
This is Rexy, 1971 FJ45, original motor, 3-speed box. I'm Brent Reeman and I'm from Brisbane.
Hi, I'm Scott from Mooloolaba. I've got a January 1984 HJ47 running the 2H, 5 speeds, got some aircon.
Hey, I'm Max. This is Claire. This is my 1984 HJ47 80 series chassis conversion with a 1H DT. We're from Brizzy.
My name's Mark. This is my 1982 Troopy. It's a pop-top conversion, and it's running a 2F and a 5-speed now, and still drum brakes.
My name is Jack. I'm driving a 1971 FJ45 Landcruiser, all original F155 motor, 3-speed gearbox from Kingaroy.
How you going, mate? Now this is we call it Old Red. She's a 1982
standard 2H motor and X-Fi truck. Yeah, goes good. Brisbane.
How you going? This is Bluey. She's a 1974 FJ40 running a 1UZ Toyota V8 4 litre with a M90 supercharger stuck on the top of it.
Hi, my name is Gary White. I'm driving this magnificent Mustang Troopy, 81 model, 2H on the Long Drive For Drought, and I'm from the south side of Brisbane, halfway between Brisbane and Bay Desert.
1980 BJ40 Landcruiser. We're from Fernvale, and she's got a 13 BT engine in it. Bluey.
It's a 1982 Landcruiser Trip Carrier. It's running a 2H with a 5-speed. We are from Kingaroy.
Bevan Burns. I've got a 1974 FJ45 and I'm from Shellharbour in New South Wales.
G'day, this is Betty. She's a 1979 HJ45 from Blackwater, Queensland.
G'day, my name's Declan Fletcher. This is a 1978 HJ45. I've got a 12 HT. Oh, and I'm from WA.
The vehicle I'm travelling in this morning is the actual HJ47 actually. She's a very tired vehicle at the moment. You could do with a bit of a spark up.
G'day, I'm Peter. I'm from Buderim at the Sunshine Coast of Queensland. My vehicle, its name is Tiger 2. It's a 1984 FJ45 and I'm running a standard 2F motor.
Hey mate, Wolbo here. I've got a Toyota 1982 FJ60 with a 3F petrol in it. We're the Klein family, Whistle and Soot. This is our 60, runs a 2H turbo with all the Whistle and Soot gear on it. Yeah, we're from Toowoomba, Queensland, out for the long drive.
Okay, so here we've got Boar, B-O-R-R. It's a 1980 HJ45 with a H motor, the 3.6 diesel. It's original 220,000 kilometres with full service history. We're from Adelaide down in McLaren Vale.
Right, my name's Richard, FJ61 behind me with a 2H turbo in it, 5-speed, loving it, and I'm from Tewantin, Queensland. Woo.
Hey, this is my car Leo. It's from 1984 and it's running on a true H-speed motor. It's a HJ60.
Josh, 1982 FJ45 with a 2H turbo from Whistle and Soot, and currently living in the Northern Territory catching buffalo.
Grant from Narangba in Brisbane. I got a old Troopy that I turned into a ute. The 1984, 6-month 1984 with original motor, did have, and it had a few performance parts on it like a TD42 pump conversion, a 12mm pump, a radius flow tune manifold, a performance 4x4 turbo.
Hey guys, Steele Johnston from Drought Angles in our vehicle provided by Skyfleet Toyota. These guys are amazing to us. Coil springs and air conditioning has been a beautiful change from the 40 series, so these guys are amazing, can't thank them enough.
Hey, it's Karen here, part of the film crew that's travelling with Long Drive For Drought. We're in a Toyota Prado, thanks to Toyota, and we're from Broadcast and we're from Brisbane.
Hey, it's Jess. I'm driving the 300 support vehicle. It is definitely blue, not black. You just can't see that right now. Where am I from? I'm from pretty much all over. Born and bred in Sydney, but moved everywhere. Currently live in Brisbane.
Hello, I'm Kirby. I'm driving the Ampol Chariot from the Gold Coast. See you later.
Righto, so now you've met some of the drivers. Next video up will be pretty much straight into the first few days of Long Drive For Drought. So if you want to keep up with it, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, keep up with what's happening for Long Drive For Drought in the next few weeks. Until next time, take care of yourself.